The toy for all ages questions. Which sentence best states the main idea of paragraph 2 and 3? A. It was necessary for the Lego company to move from wood to plastic. B. Making Lego bricks is an easy process. C. The process of making Lego products has evolved and simplified after being made from wood into plastic. Or D. Plastic Legos are more widely used compared to plastic ones. 2. What is the main idea of paragraph 4 and 5? A. The toys are still made with Christensen's high standards. B. Popularity for Lego products remains steady and are still being created in large volumes and high standards. C. Lego products continue to be built at high speeds and quantity. Or D. Any Lego products from 1958 can still be attached to recent Legos. 3. What is the main idea of the section titled Building with Lego Sets? A. Legos can be bought in many places in a variety of forms. B. Brick-shaped Legos are not the only shape of product now available to children and adults of all ages. C. The Lego company has expanded in creativity and shape, allowing individuals from young children to adults to enjoy the variety of products. Or D. Lego has developed many different types of products, some of which are very detailed. 3. Which detail from the article best supports the main idea of question 1? A. He called the company Lego. B. In 1958, he produced the first plastic Lego brick. C. Making Lego bricks is a fairly simple process. Or D. A machine then presses the melted plastic into brick molds. 5. What is paragraph 2 mainly about? A. Christensen worked as a carpenter. B. The word Lego is a Danish word that means play well. C. Christensen changed Lego toys from wood to plastic. Or D. The first plastic Lego brick was produced in 1958. 6. In which section of the selection would the reader find information about adults using Lego products? A. The introductory paragraph. B. Making Lego bricks. C. Building with Lego sets. Or D. Becoming a Lego professional. 7. By organizing paragraph 3 sequentially, the author is able to A. Compare how different types of Lego pieces are made. B. Explain the method for making Lego bricks. C. Show how Lego is able to make toys so quickly. Or D. List the reasons why making Lego bricks is simple. 8. Which of the following words from paragraph 6 help the reader understand the meaning of intricate? A. Detailed and challenging. B. Larger and easier. C. Is understandable. Or D. Different shaped. 9. What information can the reader learn about Nathan Sawaya and Sean Kenny from the chart below paragraph 7? A. How their art can be purchased. B. What they have created using Lego products. C. Where their art can be viewed. Or D. Why they enjoy working with Lego pieces. 10. Which sentence best explains the appeal of Lego products over the years? A. People appreciate visiting theme parks where Lego models are displayed. B. People enjoy toys that allow them to be creative in many ways. C. Toys made from plastic are lighter than those made from other materials. Or D. Lego is able to produce the plastic bricks quickly. Please make sure that you have showed all of your strategies for every single question on this test. When you are ready, you may turn it in with your name on it.